How to fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can solve if when your Windows says that no speakers or headphones are plugged in. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, this kind of issue generally occurs when there's a driver lacking. Now, you can normally just actually go to your sound settings and hopefully solve it. So, open up your search bar and go to sound settings over here. And once you go to sound settings, here you will see this option. Here you can see in my case, the output is my speaker, the input is the default mic. You can just try to troubleshoot common problems by selecting this troubleshoot common problems here. Select for output and input, right? So if you're having issues with both, the first select output, it will run a couple of trouble checks over here, and once it's done that, it should be able to help you solve that problem. You can also try to check for input. Now, normally updating your Windows to the latest version will also help you solve it, because updating will restart it to the latest version as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.